Monty Don, 67, has issued an update to his fans after he found a replacement for his late dog Nigel in the form of a precious puppy called Ned. Monty revealed he had taken Ned home over the weekend. As well as Ned, Monty has another golden retriever called Nellie and a tiny Yorkshire Terrier named Patty. Monty was left heartbroken when his beloved Nigel died in 2020, and many fans of Gardener's World also shared his grief after Nigel became a familiar face on the BBC show. Nevertheless, the horticulturist was able to brighten his followers' day when he revealed how Nellie and Ned are getting on. He shared a delightful photograph of Nellie lying in her bed while Ned was perched next to her. Although the dogs seemed to look comfortable in each other's company, Monty said Nellie is still a bit unsure of the new arrival. Writing to his 1.1 million followers on Tuesday, the broadcaster said, "Nellie's still slightly wary." It didn't take long for Monty's fans to be moved by the snap, and hundreds took to the comments within just an hour. Jackie gushed, "Aw, heart emoji, they'll soon be snuggling together." Wendy echoed, "Aw, I'm sure she will mother Ned." And a user Cozy and commented, "Just what we needed." Monty gave his fans some much-needed respite when he announced he was getting Ned on the day following the Queen's death. As the nation mourned the late monarch, who died on September 8 aged 96, Monty posted an adorable snap of his new family member. In the caption, he penned, "On a day when we are sharing a deep sense of sadness and loss, I went to choose the new bright, innocent and irresistibly charming member of our family, replacing Nigel. He will be joining us next week. I haven't told Nellie or Patty yet." Monty was absolutely devastated following the death of Nigel in May 2020, just 6 days before his 12th birthday. He explained at the time that his pet had suffered violent fits all night before he died. Opening up about his turmoil when vets said they couldn't save Nigel, Monty told the Griefcast podcast in November that year, "So I filmed Gardener's World with this going on, and all-day phone calls were coming in saying, 'We've tried this drug and it's not working.' Finally, the drug they used was the drug they used to put dogs down in a small dose, and they said, 'To be honest, we should just up the dose and that will end it.' He'd had a brain tumor, and at that moment the tumor had grown.